Hello friends. Now let us start the next chapter, that is chapter number 3, valuation of goodwill. As per board guideline, total marks of this chapter are 6. 1 MCQ, section A, 1 VSQ, that is from section B, and 1 4-marker sum from section D. So total weightage 6 marks. Okay, now what is the meaning of goodwill? Normally it is to be said, goodwill is a reputation of business, goodwill is a prestige of the business, goodwill is an impression of the business. But very interesting definition is given. If you earn more profit than expectation, it means when you can earn super profit. Super profit means what? More than your expectation. Suppose you are expected 10 lakhs तो मेरा profit होना ही चाहिए. But if your profit is 12 lakhs, then 2 lakhs is called super profit. Where there is super profit, there is a goodwill. No super profit, no goodwill. So this is the simple meaning of goodwill. Now, few important terms regarding goodwill. See, we can say, what is the meaning of goodwill? Goodwill is an intangible asset. Do you know, friends, in 11th standard we have 4 intangible assets. बताओ कौन सी intangible 4 asset? बोलो बोलो बोलो. Goodwill, very good. Patents, very nice. Trademark, copyright. So goodwill is intangible asset which shows reputation of firm. Which shows reputation of firm in the market. In the market, if you have very good reputation, then you have goodwill. One more point. Value of goodwill depends on the profit earning capacity of a firm. ये MCQ है. Goodwill depends upon profit earning capacity. See, as you know, every businessman, whose main intention is to earn the maximum profit. याद करो 11th standard. Activities undertaken for profit motive is known as business activity. So, value of goodwill depends on the profit earning capacity of a firm. Goodwill is where to write goodwill. Another question, a short question. Where to write goodwill? Very good balance sheet. लेकिन you have to write goodwill where balance sheet, but कहाँ पे? Goodwill is shown in the balance sheet on the asset side. That's true. Under the head of non-current. So current and non-current, two types of assets. Non-current assets as intangible asset. Okay, friends. So this is the simple meaning. फिर से फटाफट recap. Goodwill is a reputation of business. It is intangible asset. It is impression of the business. Credit of the business. Where the business, there is super profit, there is goodwill. Super profit समझ में आ गया ना? कभी कभी आप नहीं ऐसे you expect कि चलो मुझे accountancy में 80 marks आएगा, 80, and if you get 92 marks, so 12 super marks. So super profit, friends, profit which is more than your expectation, then that is goodwill. Goodwill depends upon many factors. So goodwill is affected by many factors, like, for example, nature of the business. See, the business in which your sales is regular, stable, right? If you add some additional facility, then you earn more profit. So it depends upon nature, it depends upon location. Sometimes we say our business is in central area, prime location, good area, then goodwill is more. Goodwill is also depends upon the period of the business. the older business has many customers, right? So reputation is more. If you say my business is running since last 25 years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, right? So your goodwill is more because customers are fixed and they have faith on you. So trust factor is very important. Market situation. See, in the market, no, the business in which you are enjoying monopoly, then goodwill will be more. Efficient management. See, nowadays, no, this is very important point. Management. If your management is efficient, you can reduce the costs, right? You can earn more profit by the reduction of the cost, right? Okay, and personal skill. See, this is very important. Huh? Personal skill, the business depends upon a particular person. Okay, so these are the factors affecting goodwill. Okay, now the next point. Methods for the valuation of goodwill. Methods for the valuation of goodwill. There are 4 methods in your syllabus. Method number 1, simple average profit. Simple average profit. Second is a weightage average profit. Third, super profit method. Fourth, capitalization of profit. So these are the 4 methods. So इसमें से कोई एक सम पूछा जाता है. So any one question will be asked from this any 4 method. Fine. Right up. Friends, let us start now. The first method of valuation of goodwill, that is simple average profit method. Simple average profit method. When we use this method, simple average, when the profit is fluctuating, not regular, irregular profit. It is fluctuating like this. First year 30,000, then 50,000, then 40,000, 60,000, 20,000, like this. Irregular profit, then we use simple average profit method. Right. And now, in the question, you will be given total profit of 5 years. Calculate goodwill 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Right. So, the steps are, first you have to find average profit. What is the formula of average profit? Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. Right? Like sigma x upon n. Okay? Then goodwill is equal to what? That average profit into times. 3 times, 2 times, whatever. Now ready for the sum? Okay. First question. Determine the value of goodwill based on 3 years purchase of last 5 years average profit. So you have to calculate the average profit of last 5 years. So profits are given 2011-12, 30,000, 2012-13, 50,000, 2013-14, 40,000, 14-15, 60,000, 15-16, 20,000. So your profit is irregular. Okay? Now, how to start? First of all, make the total. So what's your total profit? This 30,000 plus 50,000, calculator nikalo yaar, plus 40,000 plus 60,000 plus 20,000. So what's the total? 2 lakhs. Average profit is equal to what? Average profit is equal to total profit divided by 5. 5 cube 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 2 lakhs upon 5 is equal to 40,000. This 40,000 is your average profit. Now goodwill. Dekho friends, in the question, no, 2 types of years will be given. One is a year of purchase. Year of purchase means number of times. Here 3 years of purchase are given. 3 years of purchase means this profit will be maintained 3 years. So goodwill is calculated 3 times. Right. So goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years or number of times. Average profit कितना है बताओ? 40,000. How many times goodwill? 3 times. So your goodwill will be 40,000 into 3 is equal to 1,20,000. फटाफट check करो, come on fast. Goodwill is to be calculated 3 times. Of how many years average? Average 5. अगर यहाँ पे 6 years given, then you divide by 6. 4 is given, then divide by 4. Clear? So here is this. First year profit 30,000 plus 50,000 plus 40,000 plus 60,000 plus 20,000. So total is 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs divided by years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divide by 5 is equal to 40,000. Goodwill 3 times. So 40,000 into 3 is equal to 1,20,000. Clear? Right.